Basically got a really empty shop today. Might start working on this thing. A few things that we need to do here, like put this axle back in place. I think the radiators are in one piece. The DPF1 box needs to be replaced, which we have the new one right here. Fuel tank definitely needs to be replaced. This axle has to be put back into its place as well. Good thing about this truck is the cab is in good shape. Don't have to mess with the cab. It's really just all the suspension stuff, the one box, and this thing will be ready to hit the road. So went ahead and removed the axle out. Got the axle out from under there. Took off both of the leaf springs. The leaf springs are gonna need to be replaced with this. So I went ahead and lowered the truck some also, and relocated our jack stands. Now we're gonna work on taking the radiator out, the whole radiator assembly. We got a cracked radiator right under here. It's hard to see, but you can definitely see that there's a crack there and it's been leaking coolant. As well as the radiator, we're gonna need to replace these hoses. So these hoses actually go all the way to the passenger side. They got like inlets and outlets over by the EGR on these lines, and these lines also go back to the sleeper underneath the cab. So the hoses are gonna need to be replaced, but we'll worry about that. We're kind of gonna work our way from the front to the back of the truck. So the axle we will probably get into in another video, but let's get to taking these radiators out.
Did you forget? Do it for life. She caught all that time. I push it aside. Wonderful vibe, wonderful night. Did it with try. All I can is you and I. Off in this club, bumping and grind. Who made it flood? You see the signs.
Mother, know that beat. Oh.
We put out the feathers for this type of weather. She put in the club to bust up a dub. She came with a man, I called in the sub. She giving her hugs, we know about the mud. She put in my hand, don't know what it was. She knows something to fam, but don't know enough. My trust is in God we trust. Sipping on why don't do touch. She got her own fan, she need her a buzz. Might give her a chance, it's giving her. Out in a trance, it's giving her. Not on those hands, it's giving her. Nigga with bands is giving her. A nigga with plans is giving her. Still in the gym, ain't did the implants. I like it for real, ain't giving up. Like they know that you real, they give it up. Like if you got the steel, they give it up. Taking these M's, they giving us. And running the field like it's 10 of us. I'm cleaning shit out like an enema. I made this shit look like a cinema.
Take out the top, baby, let's ride. On with my dogs, I pick the side. She want the boss, the one on the track. I'm on the track, yeah. I'm out the one and just throw it when we ride. I bet the corner straight, the wheel in the ties. Put 20 hoes on a boat till they tied. Everybody on, you know you need me, my nigga. Just keep this shit real, don't you crowd your song. Me. Who else woke up the city like us when it rains? It's a thunderstorm. I party at Shaba in New York and LA, where they keep on going to the dun. Shaba, 200K what I'm on. 200. She licking all down my chest. Yeah, I told her I ain't slime, baby, call me six. I'm not slime, just grass. It ain't no dough, I put the racks in. Yeah, if you my hoe, I call you sexy. Yeah. Got LA, she so bad it's dangerous. I bet out of the night she tried to tangle. She got.
Alright, so we got the radiators all out. We're gonna go ahead and take this radiator completely apart.
Paris manners and it's so dangerous.
I move so far in time. time. I've been whipped up in night. I've been whipped up in whip my fist up in drive. I've been whipped up in time. I've been whipped up in night. I've been working in time. I've been with my inside. I've been inside. It's this life. It's this life. It's this life.
Tell nobody I control you. I broke you just to own you. They can't tell that I love you. Cause you're loyal, baby. I love when you're submissive. Love it when I break skin. You feel pain without flinching. So say it.
Alright guys, just finished up for the day. Finished up at my shop. Got a lot of work done. Time to close up and go work on the E46. Of course we gotta get to the gas station first.
Trendsetter, Ben Frank, get her. With whatever. I buy diamonds when I'm under pressure. When I apply shit, don't ever let up. Yeah. Look, I'm in the cut, the boy in the cut. Jump in the whip where the ceiling go up, we up. All of this grinding for what? It's funny when you niggas thought it was luck. I cannot give you a pass if you play with my money, and family, and friends. And I compete with myself while you niggas competing with trends. Your foreign is used, I looked up at Vin. I know the truth, no use in pretending with him. Still in the cut, the boy in the cut. Hop in the whip where the ceiling go up, we up. And I'm way up, at the top of the loft. Gotta stay up, ain't no knocking me off. Pull up smooth, hey, out with the cross. Counting up wins on wins on wins for all of my dogs I lost. I might call for real, get the new Chanel. Thugger got the YSL. I remember when the feds did the sweep, I pray my dogs didn't tell. Cruising down Biscayne, I was in Miami, she gave me top with the top off. Cartier wrist game, got her on Audemars, she got that head knock your socks off. You ain't getting money, you ain't fucking with me, you ain't in your bitch top 5. I might pull up in the 6 with Drizzy, I was just in Houston fucking with the mob ties. We don't never ever play two sides, hang out the phantom and suicide. They riding my wave like a road tide, my necklace is wet like the poolside. Still in the cut, the boy in the cut, yeah. Hop in the whip where the ceiling go up, we up.
Cornrow Kenny, he was born with a vision all morning with the mixed dashboard, triple digit parallel park like an alien came visit. Slideshow for the night show, 10 bitches, fine nose with a blindfold, King Kendrick.
Hello, Billy.
So many plays on me, I finesse. Palisade views with some sex. I lost a lot of love for missionary. This the first time I confess. Me and Top is like a Kobe and Phil. A father figure, fuck with him, you get killed. Fuck with me and he'll kill you himself. Either mafia of the west. Moving silent, she'll be jugging like that. Active violence, she'll be jugging like that. I did a lot of dumb shit in my past. Lord forgive me, hoping I don't relapse. Dave just bought a new 911. Almost thought I seen another plane crash.